Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So we are going to learn German and this is our very first lesson. In this lesson we are going to learn about the German alphabets and it is a very beginner lesson. Das Alphabet. So in German we have in total 30 alphabets and out of these 30 alphabets 26 alphabets are the ones which are already present in English, that is from A to Z, and there are certain four other German alphabets as well. So now let us discuss how to pronounce these alphabets. First is A, then the next one is B, third one is C, fourth is D. Now this E is actually no, these are the pronunciations of these alphabets. These alphabets are written like this only. This is how we pronounce it. Like A is pronounced as A in German, B is pronounced as B, C as C. And this is how you are supposed to say it as well. So A, B, C, D. And then this alphabet is pronounced as A. So either you can say EY or you can say A. It's pronounced like A. Then we have got F. Then we have got G. Then H, E, Yacht. This alphabet J is pronounced as Yacht. Now let us also learn some words from these letters. So Apfel, banana. Next, we have got Sede. Then we have got Day, which is Donnerstag. That is Thursday. Then we have got A, elephant. Then we have got F, Fumph. Fumph is 5. The number 5. Apfel is apple, banana is banana, Sede is CD, Donnerstag is Thursday, elephant is elephant, and Fumph is 5. Next, we have got K. So, gehen. Gehen means to go. It is a verb. Next, we have got ha, house, which is house. Next, e, ish. Ish means I. Next, yacht, yard, which means ear. Please remember that J is pronounced as yacht, so it has a Y sound in it. Next, we have got ka. Then we have got L. Next, M, N, U, P, Q, R, S. It is pronounced, it has a little bit of Z in it. T, oo. Now let's learn a word from each letter ka. Kafa. That is coffee. Next, L. Liebe, which means love. So remember we learned a word from the letter I or E, which was ish. So you can say ish liebe dish. Ish means I, liebe means love, and dish means you. So ish liebe dish, ish liebe dish to all of you. Next we have got M. So we can say man, which means man. Next we have got N. We can say nine, which means no. Next we have got O. So we can say orange, which is orange. Next, P. Papier, which means paper. Next we have got Q. So we can say quiz. Next you have got R. Rot, which is red. Next we have got S, and we can say Sonne, which is sun. Next we have got T. It is pronounced as te. So we can say tea, which is tea. Next we have got oo, and we can say oor, that is clock. Next we have got fow. Next, this is F. V has a F sound. Next, we have got way. Next, X, epsilon, and set. Now let's learn a word from each letter. This is pronounced as F. It has a F sound in it. So the word is father, and it means father. Next, we have got voker, which means weak. Next, X. So xylophone, which is xylophone. Next, we have got gypsilon, and we can say yak, which is yak only. And next, we have got Z, and we can say zebra, which is zebra only. It is pronounced as zebra. It has a S and T sound in it. So now let's move to the four additional letters in the German language. First one being A with an umlaut. So this symbol is known as umlaut. Okay, so this A with umlaut is pronounced as the American A. It is not A as per the in German we pronounce A as A. So A with an umlaut is pronounced the American way. That is A. So we'll a word from this will do the words afterwards. Next, we have got U, and the next is U with umlaut. It is pronounced as U, and it is also pronounced as O. And then this last word is a beta sign, and it has a double S sound in it. A word with this A with an umlaut can be bear, that is beer. And this O with an umlaut, a word can be ool, which is oil. Next, U with an umlaut, fumph, which is the number 5. And this double S or the beta sign, this a word from this letter can be heiser. So heiser means name. So students, this brings us to the end of the video, but wait, this is not exactly the end, because at the end of the video I want to do something, that I want to teach you one word after each video, and we can increase the frequency of new vocabulary words as we pace into this subject. So the first word for today, the only word for today is tour. Now, one thing I want you to know is that every this is a noun, so every noun is supposed to have an article behind it. Like in English, we have the. Similarly, in German, we have der, die, das, and then die again. This der is for masculine, this die is for feminine, das is for neutral, and this last die is for plural. Now, tour means door, and the article that we'll use behind this is the tour. So I want you every day to learn one word each of German, and also learn the article which will be used behind it, because these are very important things to learn. uh, you can write the correct word, you can know the word that this word tour means store, but still you might use the wrong article, so it's very important to learn the article behind the word as well. So today's word is the tour, which means the door. And now I would like to end the video. Danke schön, which means thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel.